In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to the header of your Google Docs document. Whether you're working on a collaborative project, a formal document, or simply want to personalize your document with some branding, adding a logo can give your document a polished and professional look. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to open your web browser. I recommend using Google Chrome for the best compatibility with Google Docs, but any modern browser should work just fine. Once you've got that open, head over to the Google Docs homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll see a prompt to sign into your Google account. Go ahead and click on sign in, enter your email address, and click next. Then input your password and hit next again. Once logged in, you're ready to access your Google Drive where all your documents are stored. On the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a small grid or square made up of 9 smaller squares. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select Google Docs. This will bring you to your Google Docs dashboard. If you already have a document open that you want to add a logo to, you can open it now. Otherwise, you can create a new document by clicking blank to start from scratch. To add your logo to the header, you'll first need to activate the header. Scroll to the top of any page in your document and double-click the empty space at the top. This area is reserved for headers and footers. Once it's active, you'll see a dashed line indicating the header area. With the header now activated, look towards the top menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, hover over Image, then select Upload from Computer. This will open a file dialog where you can browse your files and select the logo image you wish to add. Once the file is uploaded, it will automatically appear in your header section. Now that your logo is in the header, you might want to adjust its size to fit neatly without overwhelming the page. Click on the logo and you'll see small blue squares around it. These are the resizing handles. Drag one of the corner handles to resize the logo, ensuring you keep the proportions by holding the Shift key while resizing so the image doesn't stretch. For simple placement adjustments, you can align your logo to the left, center, or right using the alignment options in the header toolbar. Depending on your document's format and purpose, you'll want to choose the positioning that best fits your needs. Finally, to save your work, simply click outside the header area or press the ESC key. Google Docs will auto-save your document, so you don't need to worry about losing your changes. And there you have it. Your logo is now proudly displayed in the header of your document.